Hi everyone, welcome to Monday. I hope you had the best weekend. Today we are learning to divide. So before I teach you about that, let's do a little bit of counting today. Okay, so last week you had freedom of what you would like to count in. This week I'm going to choose. So I would like you to count forwards from 1 all the way to 100. Please pause the video and have a go. Welcome back. Super counting. Okay, Flashback 4 time now. So what number am I showing here on my 10 frames? Hopefully you fall for my trick. Okay, so if you didn't fall for my trick, done. So let me tell you what number I'm showing. So I've got three full 10 frames. So I'm going 10, 20, 30. Even though they're not side by side, it doesn't mean that there's one less 10. So I've got 30, 31, 32, 33. I'm showing the number 33. Okay, question. Before I tell you the answers, you need to pause and have a go at these 4 questions. Okay, welcome back. Let's go through them. So question number 1. Write a calculation to describe the array. So you should have looked at the rows. I can see in the first row there's 5 conkers, and in the second row there's 5 conkers. So I've done 5 add 5 equals 10. And you could have looked at the columns. So I can see 2 add 2 add 2 add 2 add 2 equals 10. Well done you. Let's move on to question 2. There are bags of apples. How many bags are there? There, I can see that there are 3 bags of apples. There are apples in each bag. I can see that there are 5 apples in each bag. Okay, question 3. How long is the ribbon? So I know I need to look and see what number the ribbon reaches, which is 12. And I can see the cm there, which means centimetres. So the ribbon is 12 centimetres long. Question 4. What is 1 less than 15? 1 less than 15 is 14. Well done you for having a go at this today's Flashback 4. Let's move on to our vocabulary for the week. So it has changed this week because we are focusing on dividing. Some words I am teaching today and they're in green. Some words are in red. That means I'm going to be teaching you that word. So ready, my turn, then your turn. Dividing. Divide. Divide means to split a number into equal parts or groups. So my turn, your turn. Divide. Split a number into equal parts. Divide. Split a number into equal parts or groups. Division. Division means the same as divide. Division. Grouping. Grouping is a way that we divide, and it's by splitting a whole into equal parts or groups. So it's exactly the same as divide, but it's a way of doing it. So ready? Grouping. Sharing. Let's move on. I'm going to show you a video from White Rose because it's actually really good for today's lesson. So join in as much as you can.
Today, we're going to learn about making equal groups, or grouping. Oh, look at all these little baby frogs. How many frogs are there? There are 12 frogs. Now, they want us to place these frogs into groups of 4. So let's give them a log to sit on. Now, we need to place 4 frogs on this log. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There, we have one group of 4 frogs. Oh, but we have lots of baby frogs left. Let's place another log and get 4 more frogs to sit on that log. Done. Oh, it looks like we need 1 more log. Off you go, baby frogs. Oh, they look so happy. We have 4 frogs on each of the logs. That kind of rhymes. So what do we know? We know that there are 3 groups with 4 frogs in each group. We've just made equal groups. Did you know that grouping is easier if you make rows and columns? Right now, these frogs have scattered back all over the place. Let's ask them to get into rows and columns, shall we? Off you go, frogs. Wow, look at them go. Well done. Now, how many groups of 3 are there? Can you see groups of 3 frogs? Let's find out how many there are. Here's 1 group of 3, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups. There are 4 groups of 3. Did you see how much easier that was when the frogs are in rows and columns? Yeah, me too. And here are our frogs in rows and columns. Because remember, grouping is easier if you make rows and columns. There's still 12 frogs. But how many groups of 6 are there? Well, let's group them. Let's put 6 frogs in 1 group. There's 1 group. And there's 2 groups. So, there are 2 groups of 6. Oh, wow. That's a lot of beanbags. How many are there? Did you count them? Did you get 15? Yes, there are 15 beanbags all together. Are they in rows and columns? No. But it wants to know how many equal groups and how many beanbags are in each group. Well, this reminds me of a game. I could throw a hoop around them. There's a group, 1 group with 3 beanbags. Can you see another group of 3 beanbags? Yep, there's one. And another? Oh yeah. Great. How many equal groups have I made? Yes, there are 5 equal groups. But there are 5 equal groups of how many beanbags? How many beanbags are in each group? Right. There are 3. So we can say that there are 5 equal groups of 3 beanbags.
For today's activity, I would like you to choose as many of these challenges to do. So you need to get some objects for you to use and complete the challenges. I will show you what I mean by that. Okay, I've got my activity screen up. I've got my objects, which are socks. Can you smell them? Stinky socks. Poo-wee. Okay, first one. I need 6 objects. I need 6 socks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my 6 socks. I need to put them in groups of 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So I had 6 socks, and now I've got 3 groups of 2. Let me try another one. I'm going to do this one. 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my 10 socks. I need to put them in groups of 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I started off with 10 and now I've got 2 groups of 5. Oh, I can't wait to see your pictures, comments and videos. Have fun!